Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
Hello. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am. How about you?
I'm with friends, but we split up for the day.
That's nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Australia.
Wow, that's far. What brings you here?
I'm on vacation. What about you?
Same here. I'm exploring different countries.
That's exciting. Have you been to many places?
Yes, I've visited a few. How about you?
I've been to a few too. Do you like traveling?
I love it. It's my favorite thing to do.
Me too. It's fun to see new places.
What's been your favorite place so far?
I really liked Japan. How about you?
I loved Italy. The food was amazing.
I bet. What do you like to do when you travel?
I like to try local food and explore the city.
Same here. I love tasting new dishes.
Do you have any travel tips?
Always carry a map and learn a few local phrases.
Good advice. I also like to pack light.
Yes, traveling light makes things easier.
Do you travel often?
Yes, whenever I get a chance. And you?
I try to go somewhere new every year.
That sounds great. Where are you headed next?
I'm going to Spain next. You?
I'm heading to Greece.
Nice. Greece is beautiful. I've been there once.
I'm excited to see it. Do you like beaches?
I love beaches. Greece has some of the best.
I can't wait to relax on the beach.
It's the perfect way to unwind. Do you like history?
Yes, I love visiting historical sites.
Greece has a lot of history. You'll enjoy it.
I'm sure I will. Do you like museums?
Yes, I always visit museums when I travel.
Me too. They're so interesting.
What's your favorite museum so far?
The Louvre in Paris. It's amazing.
I haven't been there yet, but I want to.
You should go. It's worth it.
I'll add it to my list. Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I take a lot of photos when I travel.
Same here. It's a great way to remember the trip.
Do you share your photos online?
Yes, I post them on social media.
I do too. It's fun to share with friends.
Definitely. Do you keep a travel journal?
Yes, I like to write about my experiences.
That's a great idea. I should start doing that.
It's a nice way to remember the details.
Do you travel solo often?
Sometimes, but I also like group trips.
Same here. Traveling with friends is fun.
Yes, it's great to share the experience.
Do you prefer cities or nature?
I like both, but nature is more relaxing.
I agree. Hiking is one of my favorite activities.
Mine too. Have you hiked any famous trails?
Yes, I hiked the Inca Trail last year.
Wow, that must have been incredible.
It was amazing. Do you like hiking?
Yes, I love it. I want to hike in the Alps someday.
That would be an amazing experience.
Yes, it's on my bucket list.
Do you have any other big travel plans?
I want to visit South America next.
That sounds exciting. I've heard it's beautiful.
Yes, I can't wait to explore it.
Do you like adventure sports?
Yes, I love them. I've tried skydiving.
Wow, that's brave. I've only tried bungee jumping.
That's brave too. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was terrifying but fun.
Adventure sports are thrilling.
Definitely. What's next on your list?
Maybe scuba diving. How about you?
I want to try paragliding.
That sounds amazing. Where would you do it?
Maybe in Switzerland. It's famous for paragliding.
Yes, that would be the perfect place.
Do you like trying new foods when you travel?
Yes, I always try the local specialties.
Same here. It's a big part of the experience.
What's the most interesting food you've tried?
I tried escargot in France. You?
I tried sushi in Japan. It was so fresh.
I love sushi. It's one of my favorites.
Mine too. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it. I tried really spicy curry in India.
That sounds intense. I like spicy food too.
Do you have a favorite dish from your travels?
I love the pasta in Italy.
Italian food is so good. I loved the pizza there.
Yes, it's the best. Do you cook at home?
Sometimes. I like to try recipes from places I visit.
That's a great idea. I should try that too.
It's fun to recreate the flavors at home.
Do you bring back souvenirs?
Yes, I like to collect small things like magnets.
Same here. They remind me of the places I've been.
Exactly. Do you ever get homesick while traveling?
Sometimes, but I love the adventure.
Same here. It's worth it for the experience.
Definitely. What do you miss most about home?
I miss my bed and home-cooked meals.
I miss my family and friends the most.
Yes, being away from loved ones is hard.
It is, but traveling is worth it.
I agree. There's so much to see and do.
Do you ever get lost while traveling?
Yes, but sometimes that leads to the best experiences.
True. Getting lost can be an adventure.
It really can. Do you speak any other languages?
I know a little bit of Spanish. You?
I speak some French.
That's useful. Do you use it when you travel?
Yes, it helps a lot in French-speaking countries.
I bet. Learning languages is important.
Yes, it makes traveling easier.
Do you want to learn any new languages?
I'd like to learn Italian. You?
I want to learn Japanese.
That's a great choice. Are you taking classes?
Not yet, but I'm planning to.
Good luck with it. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. Good luck with Italian too.
Thanks. I'll need it.
Do you have any favorite travel apps?
Yes, I use a translation app a lot.
Same here. It's very helpful.
It really is. Do you use any apps for finding places to eat?
Yes, I use a food review app.
Me too. It's great for finding good restaurants.
Definitely. Do you use any apps for navigation?
Yes, I use a map app to get around.
Same here. It's a lifesaver.
It really is. Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, it's a relaxing way to see the countryside.
I agree. Train travel is very scenic.
Do you have a favorite train route?
I loved the train ride from London to Edinburgh.
That sounds beautiful. I've heard Scotland is lovely.
Yes, it's very picturesque. You should visit.
I'd love to. Do you prefer trains or buses?
I prefer trains, but buses are good for shorter trips.
Same here. Buses are more flexible.
Yes, and sometimes cheaper.
Do you like to plan your trips or go with the flow?
I like a mix of both. You?
I usually plan, but leave room for spontaneity.
That's a good balance.
Yes, it works well for me.
Do you use a guidebook or just explore on your own?
I use a guidebook for ideas, but I like exploring on my own.
Same here. It's fun to discover hidden gems.
Yes, some of the best places aren't in guidebooks.
That's true. Do you like visiting tourist attractions?
Sometimes, but I prefer less crowded places.
Me too. Crowds can be overwhelming.
Yes, but some attractions are worth it.
Definitely. Which one has been your favorite?
I love the Colosseum in Rome.
That's on my list. I can't wait to see it.
You'll love it. It's incredible in person.
I'm sure I will. Do you like traveling in the off-season?
Yes, it's less crowded and usually cheaper.
I agree. The weather is also better sometimes.
Yes, it's a nice time to explore.
Do you like taking guided tours?
Sometimes, but I prefer exploring on my own.
Same here. Tours can be informative, though.
Yes, they're good for learning about history.
Do you like shopping for souvenirs?
Yes, but I try not to buy too much.
Same here. It's hard to carry everything.
Yes, especially when you're traveling light.
Exactly. Do you have a favorite souvenir?
I have a small statue from Thailand that I love.
That sounds nice. I like collecting postcards.
Postcards are a great way to remember places.
Yes, and they're easy to carry.
True. Do you send postcards to friends and family?
Sometimes, it's a nice way to stay in touch.
Yes, it's always nice to receive one.
Definitely. Do you keep a travel budget?
Yes, I try to stick to a budget.
Same here. It helps me manage my expenses.
Do you prefer staying in hotels or hostels?
I prefer hotels for comfort, but hostels are good for meeting people.
I agree. Hostels are great for socializing.
Yes, I've made some good friends in hostels.
Same here. It's part of the fun of traveling.
Definitely. Do you ever use home rentals?
Yes, sometimes. It's nice to have more space.
I agree. It feels more like home.
Yes, and you can cook your own meals.
That's a big plus. Do you like trying street food?
Yes, I love it. It's often the best food around.
Same here. It's usually cheap and delicious.
Yes, and it's a great way to experience local culture.
Do you have a favorite street food?
I love the tacos in Mexico.
That sounds amazing. I need to try that.
You should. They're so good.
I will. Do you like visiting markets?
Yes, markets are so vibrant and full of life.
I agree. They're great for people watching.
Yes, and you can find unique souvenirs.
Definitely. Do you haggle when you shop?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good at it.
Same here. It's a skill I need to practice.
Yes, but it can be fun to try.
True. Do you like going to festivals?
Yes, festivals are so much fun.
I agree. They're a great way to experience local culture.
Definitely. Do you have a favorite festival?
I loved the Lantern Festival in Thailand.
That sounds beautiful. I'd love to see that.
You should. It's a magical experience.
I'll add it to my list. Do you like taking day trips?
Yes, they're a great way to explore nearby areas.
I agree. Day trips are a lot of fun.
Do you have a favorite day trip?
I loved visiting the Great Wall of China.
That must have been incredible.
It was. Do you like nature or city trips more?
I like both, but nature trips are more relaxing.
I agree. Nature is a great way to recharge.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!